We're going to explore the covalent bonding in hydrocarbons. And we are going to demonstrate the covalent bonding in this video. Methane is a compound of the nonmetals hydrogen and carbon. So it's made up of hydrogen and carbon atoms, and it's the simplest hydrocarbon. You can see the carbon atom and the hydrogen atom in this demonstration. The carbon atom has 6 electrons, while hydrogen atom has only 1 electron, which means that hydrogen atom has 1 electron in its outermost shell, and the carbon atom has 4 electrons in its outermost shell. So how many electrons does a carbon atom need to complete its outer shell? Completing its outer shell means that carbon should have 8 electrons in its outer shell. Well, it has 4, so it needs 4 more electrons to complete its outer shell and have 8 electrons. And to do that, it needs to form covalent bonds. How many bonds will it need to form to achieve this? Just like the number of electrons it needs, carbon needs 4 single covalent bonds to complete its outer shell. Moving on to hydrogen. How many covalent bonds can a hydrogen atom form? Only 1 covalent bond, because it has only 1 electron in its outer shell and needs 1 more to make it a pair. I'll show you a covalent bond between this carbon atom and the hydrogen atom. They are now sharing 1 pair of electrons. So hydrogen completed its outer shell, but carbon still needs 3 more electrons. And there's another hydrogen atom. A third one, and a fourth. Carbon bonded with 4 hydrogen atoms in order to complete its outer shell and have 8 electrons. So notice how the carbon attracts 4 hydrogen atoms, and now they are all sharing pairs of electrons, so that each hydrogen has 2 electrons in its outer shell and the carbon has 8 electrons in its outer shell. So this is another way to show you the attraction between each carbon atom and each hydrogen atom. This is the covalent bond formation in methane. It is CH4, so it's made up of 1 carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atoms, and the atoms are bonded together by single covalent bond. So the carbon atom is sharing only 1 pair of electrons with each hydrogen atom.